There is a teaching that has echoed through centuries, one that many of the greatest spiritual voices have hinted at in their own way. It is this: there is only one prayer you will ever need, just two simple words: thank you. Gratitude is not just a polite gesture, it is a spiritual key. It opens the door between the human and the divine. It places us directly in harmony with the source that created us. These two words, thank you, carry more power than volumes of ritual because they align us instantly with the vibration of abundance. Think of life as a great ocean and yourself as a surfer riding its waves. The waves are not water, but energy, vibration. Every event, every circumstance, every person you encounter has its own frequency. Your feelings are simply your awareness of those vibrations. Joy, peace, love, fear, anger, they are all signs of the current you are moving with. Now picture what happens when a surfer loses balance. One distraction, one sudden pull of attention, and the wave throws them off. In the same way, when we let external events control our focus, a harsh word from someone we love, a sudden bill, a disappointment at work, a troubling headline, we are pulled off our spiritual surfboard. We begin to vibrate in harmony with the challenge, rather than with the source. But when you hold to gratitude, when thank you becomes your steady rhythm, you remain balanced on the wave. Gratitude is equilibrium. It is a point of harmony with the divine, a way of saying, I trust, I receive, I am already aligned with what I seek. Every day, each of us is surrounded by countless vibrations. The moods of others, the flow of the economy, the pressures of family, the storms of global news. Some lift us up, others weigh us down. But we always have a choice. Will we let the outer world set our inner vibration, or will we project our own? Gratitude is how we project. Gratitude says, before the wealth arrives, I already live in wealth. Before love appears, I already embody love. Before healing comes, I already stand in wholeness. Gratitude is not waiting for evidence. It is the evidence. It tells the universe, I have already received. When you repeat thank you with sincerity, you place yourself in the frequency of abundance. You vibrate at joy, expectation, blessing. You move in step with prosperity, with opportunity, with good fortune. The external world may still have ups and downs, but your center remains unshaken. Most people wait. They wait for good news, then they smile. They wait for the check, then they celebrate. They wait for the relationship, then they feel love. But this is living in reaction, not creation. Gratitude reverses the order. Gratitude feels first, and then the event follows. The vibration always precedes the manifestation. And so the words of wisdom resound. To those who have, more will be given. To those who have not, even what they have will be taken away. What is this having? It is not money in the bank. It is not possessions. It is consciousness. It is the state of already living in thankfulness. When you have gratitude, more flows to you. When you dwell in lack, life mirrors that back. Prayer, then, is not about words in a book or sounds in a language. God does not speak English, Spanish, or Chinese. The language of the divine is vibration. It is the unspoken frequency of the heart. And gratitude is the clearest expression of that language. Try it for yourself. On your next walk, whisper softly, "Thank you, thank you, thank you." Let your mind wander into appreciation. Thank your body for moving. Thank the air for entering your lungs. Thank the sun for touching your skin. Thank your heartbeat for keeping rhythm with life. Soon, you will notice your thoughts begin to shift. Your emotions brighten. Your energy expands. And without waiting for any external change, you are already lifted. Check in with yourself often. Are you feeling frustration? That shows your focus is on what is missing. Are you feeling jealousy? That reveals your attention is locked on absence. Notice it, pause, and gently return to gratitude. Whisper again, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is not denial of difficulties. Life still brings challenges. But gratitude prevents those challenges from setting the tone of your spirit. Instead of being pulled into their vibration, you rise above, carrying your own. And from that higher place, solutions, blessings, and opportunities naturally appear. Gratitude also reprograms the deep patterns within us. Many of our thoughts and reactions are habits built from childhood, old stories of lack, fear, or unworthiness. These patterns drive most of what we feel. But when gratitude becomes daily practice, those old programs are rewritten. The subconscious learns a new rhythm, appreciation, abundance, enoughness. With time, your outer life reflects this inner transformation. Relationships improve. Finances shift. Health strengthens. Not because the outer world suddenly changed on its own, but because you changed your vibration and the world could only echo back. So I invite you, throughout today, keep it simple. Whenever your mind begins to wander, bring it home with 2 words, thank you. Whisper it in the morning when you wake. Say it quietly as you walk. Think it while you eat. Repeat it as you fall asleep at night. And let your gratitude extend beyond the obvious. Thank not only for what you hold, but for what you desire, as if it is already here. Thank the unseen, the not yet manifested, the possibilities waiting to unfold. By doing so, you are already in vibrational harmony with them. Gratitude is not about waiting for the blessing. Gratitude is the blessing. Gratitude is the state of union with the divine. Gratitude is the vibration of creation itself. So let us begin right now together. Thank you, thank you, thank you.